What is the capital of Australia? Canberra. Mount Everest lies on the border of Nepal and which country? China. Which is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. Which sea separates Europe and Africa? Mediterranean Sea. Which country has the most time zones? France. What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa. Which is the largest country by area? Russia. Which city is known as the Big Apple? New York City. Which is the highest waterfall in the world? Angel Falls. Which country is famous for kangaroos? Australia. Which is the largest coral reef system? Great Barrier Reef. Which is the coldest continent? Antarctica. What is the capital of Brazil? Brasilia. Which is the largest lake by surface area? Caspian Sea. Which continent has the most countries? Africa. Which country is known for the maple leaf? Canada. Which country has the city of Dubai? UAE. Which is the largest volcano on earth? Mauna Loa. Which country is called the land of the midnight sun? Norway. Which country has the city of Venice? Italy. Which river is the longest in South America? Amazon. Which is the largest bay in the world? Bay of Bengal. Which country is famous for tulips and windmills? Netherlands. Which is the largest freshwater lake by volume? Lake Baikal. What is the capital of Argentina? Buenos Aires. Which country is home to Machu Picchu? Peru. Which continent is the least populated? Antarctica. Which is the tallest building in the world? Burj Khalifa. Which country is famous for the Great Wall? China. Which ocean lies between Africa and Australia? Indian Ocean. Which is the official headquarters of the United Nations? New York City. Which country is known as the land of fire and ice? Iceland. Which is the largest archipelago in the world? Indonesia. Which country is famous for the ancient city of Petra? Jordan. Which is the longest mountain range in the world? Andes. Which is the capital of New Zealand? Wellington. Which country has the largest number of islands in the world? Sweden. Which river flows through London? Thames. Which country is known as the land of white elephant? Thailand. Which is the world's largest inland sea? Caspian Sea. What is the capital of South Korea? Seoul. Which country is home to the Taj Mahal? India. Which is the largest gulf in the world? Gulf of Mexico. Which country is famous for the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Italy. Which is the largest country in South America by area? Brazil. What is the capital of Turkey? Ankara. Which is the capital of Switzerland? Bern. Which country is known as the land of the long white cloud? New Zealand. Which is the largest freshwater lake in Africa? Lake Victoria. Which is the highest plateau in the world? Tibetan Plateau.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The Quiz Chapter, for more quiz videos.